niyo ba na nung lumalaki ako, sabi sa akin ng aking moderator, kasi may ugali din ako eh. Sabi sa akin, Joseph, always see to it na let them see Christ in you. Hindi dahil maganda ka, gwapo ka, or attractive kang person, pero nakita nila how God radiates His beauty and His love nang makita ka. And what better way na makita ang mukha ni Jesus? Kasi ito talaga, hindi lang ito maganda sa loob, pati yung panlabas niya maganda. Let's welcome ang ate ng lahat.
I'm Shar or Shireen. Most of the kids call me Ate Shar.
Yes.
I was a missionary here in Shemenov community, here in Manila for a year. I'm also a novitiate of the community. That's it, basically.
Grabe no. Siya kasi yung aming ate siya. So pag may nangyari sa Taral, ate siya, may ganito po nangyari. No? So, speaking of sa mga ganong mga pangyayari, was there even a time in your life na parang sabi mo, ayoko na magtaral, Lord, napagod na ako. Kasi ano ba naman itong mga batang to?
There's been a lot of times na parang naisip ko, tama na siguro to. I mean, I'm not the strongest soldier of God. So parang, most especially at those times na bago pa ako, hindi ko pa kilala masyado yung kids. And they're still not even warming up to me. It's hard for me to catch them. And nag-reach yun sa point na umiyak na talaga ako.
Ikaw na yung umiyak.
Oh, that was the first time I cried. Then, sabi ko sa sarili ko, hindi ako iiyak. Kasi mga bata to and they come from a family or from a lifestyle na unfortunate. So, I need to understand them, have a bigger heart for them. Pero nung time na hindi ko na talaga kinaya, sabi ko, my strength is not enough for me to take care of them, to feed them, to help them. But there's someone up there na who gave that strength.
So kanya diba you mentioned that the kids weren't that open to you. My question is, ngayong panahon ng Kwaresma, was there even a time na you open up to God? Na parang yun yung pinaka-open, the grandest open up.
I think that would be a point na I said to myself that I want to love like how He loves us. May one time na sa adoration ako noon naisip ko na, Lord, bakit ang hirap mahalin ng ibang tao? Bakit ang hirap mahalin ng sarili ko? Bakit ang hirap mahalin ng, I don't know, everything. Kasi recently din na, I felt that, bakit mahirap during ngayong Kwaresma din na, to love more, most especially myself.
You said kanina, di ba, na ngayong Kwaresma, parang attention mo ba? Parang gusto mo imahalin sa sarili mo? Yun ba yung parang nakikita mong way of parang sacrifice?
My plan is basically to refrain from thinking about those fears, thinking about those lies that the devil is feeding my head. Hindi yun yung gustong sabihin sa akin ng Panginoon. Masasaktan si Lord, for sure. I want to say sorry to Him and to repent for all those times na I've self-loathed, yung mga times na yun. Kasi, and every time that I think badly of myself, parang hindi ako naniniwala sa promise ni God.
Super sweet naman, no? So ate, this is my last question for you. Sa tingin mo, what do you think God is telling you right now?
You are worthy. Then second is, you are my child.
Talaga naman. So ate, thank you ate siya. At kung gusto niyo ma-feel na child kayo ni God, pumunta na tayo sa retreat or recollection sa Easter sa Ateneo this coming April 17 to 20. Open to para sa lahat ng 18 to 30 years old. Ate siya, sasama ka ba sa Ateneo?
Oo naman.
Yeah, thank you!
Thank you.